Stop by and take a look at the 2023
Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.